So when you're looking at that, you've got to remember there's two good ways to find right angles. Intersections of vertical and horizontal. No, those do not line up, but they don't have to. There's like I said, two ways to find right angles. Intersections of vertical and horizontal, and where a radius hits a tangent. So we've got a circle here, and this is a tangent line. If I draw that radius, there's a right angle right there. There's a right angle. To get me a right triangle, I almost have to do that. So that's a right triangle, but that doesn't define everything I need. Now we said vertical to horizontal. If this is a horizontal member here and that's a vertical, that's a right angle. So we have that right angle there. If we come over here, we have another one here. That's going to be a second right triangle we're going to use, is this one over here. Since this radius is 1, we know that's 1 there. Yep, so we can find that piece by subtraction, right? That's what, 2.01, so this is 0.863 inches there. If I subtract them from this. So then that's 8.63. We know this distance here by subtracting these two is 1.250, right? We can find the hypotenuse and we can find this angle here, both. Yep, that angle here, I'm going to call this angle Y. Y is going to be the inverse tangent of 0.863 over 1.25. So 34.62 degrees. The hypotenuse, well, the easiest way to do that is just the square root of a squared plus b squared. It was 1.519. So 1.519. Now for that triangle, we have, this is still the radius of a circle. That's still 1, right? So I can find this angle. Inverse sine, very good. I'll call that angle Z. Angle Z is going to be the inverse sine of what? 1 over hypotenuse, very good. .17 degrees. Yep. So yeah, X is going to be 90 minus 34.62 minus 41.17. Yeah, 14.21 degrees. So the calculations aren't that bad. It's finding those two triangles. Yeah, it's like, okay, this is what I need to know. Here's what I need to know to find it, but I don't know that. Well, do I have the information I need to know to find those things that I need to know? If I don't, we'll keep going back steps until you find something you do know. Yes. Like I said, those are the two biggest ones. Is a vertical dimension and a horizontal dimension, horizontal and vertical intersecting to make a right angle. And then a radius and a tangent intersecting to make a right angle. There's one other one that we come into, and that's if you have like a chord of a circle and a radius. Those intersect at a right angle if the radius cuts that chord in half. Well, no, if it's a diameter, it could still be a diameter like this, you know. It wouldn't cut the chord in half. Yeah. So I mean, there are rules like that of things that have to make right angles. So if you find right angles, and that's here, you find right angles, and eventually you can put together triangles with those right angles that'll do it. It is, like you said, it's a big puzzle.